Only 3,665 built, numbers matching V8 and GTO styling without the GTO price tag. This 1971 Pontiac LeMans Sport Convertible might be the smartest muscle era buy on the market. What if I told you that one of the rarest Pontiac convertibles of the muscle era isn't wearing a GTO badge, yet still carries the soul, the stance, and the swagger of one? This is not just a classic. This is not just a convertible. This is a moment in American automotive history, the 1971 Pontiac LeMans Sport Convertible. Finished in a striking factory-correct Cardinal Red, this car doesn't whisper nostalgia, it commands attention. With the top down and the sun reflecting off that long sculpted hood, you're instantly transported back to an era when style was bold, engines were honest, and every drive felt like an event. Only 3,665 LeMans Sport Convertibles were produced in 1971. That alone puts this car in rare territory. But this example goes further, embracing subtle GTO-inspired touches that elevate its presence without losing its identity. The iconic GTO hood and Dura-style front bumper and rear spoiler give it muscle-era attitude while maintaining Le Mans refinement. Open the door and you're greeted by a beautifully preserved white vinyl interior, clean, bright, and timeless. The bucket seats and center console instantly signal that this is the sport model built for drivers who wanted more than basic transportation. Black carpeting grounds the interior, while the wood dash bezel and factory-style steering wheel add just the right amount of upscale flair. This is an interior meant to be experienced, not modernized into anonymity. The factory gauges AM/FM radio and original style controls remain intact, preserving the soul of the car. Sit behind the wheel, glance down that hood, and suddenly 1971 doesn't feel like the past, it feels present. But make no mistake, this Pontiac isn't just about looks. Under the hood lives a numbers-matching 350 cubic inch Pontiac V8, the heartbeat of this classic convertible. Smooth, torquey, and unmistakably Pontiac, this engine has been tastefully upgraded with an Edelbrock carburetor and intake, enhancing throttle response and drivability. While respecting originality, power flows through a TH3 5.0 3-speed automatic transmission, one of GM's most respected gearboxes, known for its durability and smooth shifts. It's the perfect pairing for relaxed cruising or confident acceleration when the road opens up. Turn the key and the engine settles into a confident idle, not aggressive, not timid, just right. It's the sound of American muscle refined by experience. This Le Mans is built to be enjoyed. Power steering makes it effortless to maneuver, while power front disc brakes bring modern confidence to classic performance. LED headlights subtly improve visibility without disturbing the vintage aesthetic, and the 16-inch Kragar chrome wheels give the car a planted muscular stance that looks right at home under those flowing quarter panels. And then there's the convertible top. With the touch of a button, the power soft top disappears, transforming this Pontiac into the ultimate open-air cruiser. This is where the Le Mans truly shines, rolling down the boulevard, wind in your hair, V8 humming beneath you, and every stoplight turning into a photo opportunity. This isn't a garage queen, this is a driver's classic, a car that invites you to take the long way home, a car that makes strangers smile, wave, and ask questions at the gas station. A car that reminds you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. And here's the kicker. At $37,995, roughly $38,000, this Le Mans Sport Convertible delivers rarity, presence, and muscle-era charm at a price that still makes sense in today's collector market. You're getting a numbers-matching V8 authentic styling, convertible freedom, and Pontiac heritage, all wrapped in one unforgettable package. This isn't just an alternative to a GTO. For many enthusiasts, it's the smarter, rarer, and more elegant choice. If you've been waiting for a classic that blends collectability with real-world enjoyment, this 1971 Pontiac LeMans Sport Convertible is calling your name.